Hey guys, today we're going to be doing one-dimensional kinematics, average velocity example number 2. The first example actually had a very similar setup to this. You were given two positions, x1 and x2, 2 times, and you had to find the average velocity. This question goes a little bit further in that it asks you to calculate its average speed, or rather, can you calculate its average speed? So we'll get to that right after we do the first part. Okay, so just like before, average velocity can be calculated with v. Remember, the straight line across the v means average. Okay, so v equals delta x over delta t, change in position over change in time. Delta x is x2 minus x1. Delta t is t2 minus t1. And simply plug in your values. It's as simple as that. So 9.4 centimeters minus x1, 4.3 centimeters, divided by T2, which is 3.5 centimeters. And just be careful with your signs here because notice T1 is negative, so you're subtracting from this minus 3.0 seconds. Okay, so that's equal to 5.1 centimeters over 6.5 centimeters, or pardon me, seconds. Remember that when you subtract a negative, you actually end up adding the numbers together. Okay, so this comes out to be approximately 0.7846 centimeters per second. And while you'd normally almost be done, we have to remember sig figs. Okay, you probably already saw that coming. So if you go back to your original question, we've got 2 sig figs there, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 there. Okay, so again, your answer has to be as accurate as the least accurate answer. Okay, so if we have 0.7846, we want to round that to 2 sig figs. That's going to round to approximately 0.78 centimeters per second. Okay, so there's the answer for the first part. What is its average velocity? Okay, so now to answer the second part, can you calculate average speed from this data? Okay, so in order to answer that, you first have to understand that average speed, while the symbol is the same, speed is the position over the time. Well, technically, the total distance traveled, all the x. Okay, we can't calculate the average speed because we don't know the total distance traveled. If you look at the question again, it only gives you the start and the end points. It gives you x1 and x2. You don't know what might have happened in between there. You might have started at x1, 4.3, gone up to another x at 5.7, gone down to 3.9, back up to 7.8, back down to 6.6, and back up to 9.4, thereby traveling a much larger distance. Okay, so because we don't actually know the total distance traveled, therefore, we cannot calculate its average speed. Okay, so that does it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give that like button a click and subscribe to this channel so that you never miss a video from me. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you next time.